Hello. It's Ashlee. Like epic hiccups. You know.
So, I'm walking down the street, and there's this big fat-ass spider on a pole.
That I found.
Ashley found it.
Yeah,
she helped me with my battle of Trapdoor's minions who are here to just harvest our souls. And, fucking killed it with my shoe.
What's Trogdor?
Trogdor, Destroyer of
Whatever.
Worlds, was my pet spider that lived on my kitchen ceiling. Daddy long legs. One day, me and Lindsay were hanging out. Trogdor fucking moved from his corner, so we had to fucking kill that shit. So Lindsay took a broom and just like hella until he was dead. It was like a 4-hour battle.
At least.
At the least. At least 3 days at the most.
Lost track of time.
We lost track of time because we were, having an epic battle.
How does it make you feel?
Fucking powerful. Powerful. Hella.